This is part of a full step-by-step tutorial I made for Korp Academy members, showing you how to draw Stormfly from How to Train Your Dragon. In the video, we don't use pencils, we go straight in with pens. Might mean you make a few more mistakes along the way, but it also means you get much better, much faster. We're laying down some base colours just to get us started, and then I'm showing my students here how to blend in with Posca Pens. We're then going in for a little bit of cell shading, so we're going to use some blues next. Got the sky blue as the base colour and light blue going over the top, just to make it stand out a little bit. You can see we've just got a little tiny bit of that red showing through now. We're going to do the same around the nose and the eyes, but this time we're going to use red. Colour in the neck with a little apricot, and then we can think about doing a little bit of outlining. I always put my colours down first and then outline second. And you can see just how much the character starts to pop as soon as we start putting those black outlines on. A lot of these lines will add a little bit more finesse to them later on. So it's not about getting the lines perfect now. We know we can cut in with Posca Pens later to make these black lines look just right. We use some simple techniques to add a little more texture to our character to make it look a little bit more finished off. And there we are, all done. So if you're into this, you'll fit in nicely at the Korp Academy. Join the Plus membership to get full tutorials, new content every week, and enough weird characters to keep you drawing all year. The link's below. Come and draw with us.